Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about the coach mode, a new feature that we have introduced in Meratutor Homie for that awesome learning experience. Coach mode has been inspired by the Socratic mode. Socratic mode is a way of teaching where instead of giving you the answers, the teacher asks you smart questions to help you think and figure out things on your own. It's based on how the Greek philosopher Socrates used to teach, by guiding students through questions, not lectures. It helps students understand deeply, not just memorize. Coach mode on Homie will ask you one small question at a time, give you hints if you are stuck, encourage you to reason through the topic, help you connect ideas on your own. And the best part, you can use coach mode again and again, anytime you want to review a topic or test your understanding. Now let me quickly show you how that works. Now I'm in this chapter called Understanding Quadrilateral. Let's look at example number 5. The question is, how many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165 degree? I'll go to my snip tool, choose this part right on the PDF, and here I can say solve this step by step and send it to the AI. Let's see what response we get. Now as you can see, Homie has started responding, and here is the step-by-step solution by the AI to the question that you asked. So the answer here is n is equal to 24, and that's how Homie solves your question that you ask it. Now as you can see that the response from Homie is direct to the point, step by step. Many of the educators that we spoke with said that students would like to use their brains, and instead of providing a direct solution, why don't you use something called the Socrates method? And that's what we did, and I'm going to show you how to use the Socrates method or the coach mode on Homie. Let's again do a snip and choose the same question. Now once you are on the prompt page, here I will click to enable the coach button. So the coach mode now is enabled. Now I'm gonna ask AI to solve it and send it to the AI, and let's wait to look at the response. And here you can see that instead of giving us the direct solution, Homie is now asking us more questions. Each interior angle of a regular polygon is 165 degree. What would be the measure of each corresponding exterior angle? So here you can see that Homie has been asking us questions instead of directly providing a solution. Let's try and solve that. Let me choose one of these answers. So I'll choose A. So it seems that I was right. Exterior angle is 165 degree. Then each exterior angle must be 180 degree minus 165, which is 15. Now the next question is, what's the next step to find the number of side n of a regular polygon? Multiply 15 by 360, divide 360 by 15. I think B is the right option. So I'm gonna click on B and send it to the AI. Yep, that's the right answer that I provided. See how Homie is asking me everything step by step, not providing me the direct solution. So we have n is equal to 360 by 15, which of course is 24. So I'm going to hit C to send it to Homie. And you can see that finally we have got our answer. The right answer is 24. Over here it's 24, so you can verify. You can also see the related question being provided by the AI. The other questions, we did not have the related questions because we did not arrive at the answer. So that's how the coach mode, instead of giving you direct answers, provides you hints and questions you and takes you through some quizzes till you get the right answers. So if you are a student, imagine how much better your learning could be if you have something like a Homie and you use the coach mode. It's just perfect for practicing any topic anytime you want on any device. So the next time you are stuck or want to really master a topic, just try the coach mode on Homie, and Homie will start asking the right question to unlock the answers that's already in your mind. Try coach mode and experience learning the Socratic way, powered by AI. It's how the best thinkers learn, and now every child can learn the same using the Socratic method. Thank you so much for watching this video.